I never knew moving was this difficult, but you gotta do what you gotta do, man. We got the brand new couches on the back of the truck. These are going to the house. What up, YouTube? We back at it, man. We are in an office right now. This is gonna be the room for my office where I'm gonna do everything. Ignore my signs right there, but it's where I'm gonna package up all my merch and everything. We just got another package in the mail from my manufacturer. We're waiting on the rest of these has to come. So if you haven't got your hat yet, they'll be on the way. I appreciate y'all for the support and everything. The Silver Bullet giveaway is closer than close, man. Make sure y'all enter to win that joint by copying you a red Kicks by Dre cap. You get the enter to win until my 2015 Lifted Chevy Silverado paired together with a 2019 ROADGLIDE MA114 built by Dre. You already know how the parts, powder coated rims, bars, custom seat, everything ready to go. We just came back from St. Louis. We're about to head to Sacramento to deliver this 2015 ROADGLIDE. So stay tuned for that. We're about to have it going on the way on the road. Now today we still at the house. It's Saturday. I've been working around getting a lot of stuff done. So today I'm trying to really sit around here and get some stuff done. But that never really works out like that. So we're about to clean the truck, wash the truck up, get that thing ready to go. It's been super dirty from all these trips I've been taking back and forth for hours of driving. We're gonna do that. I'm gonna even clean my boy trailer, load it up, take it to LA, drop it off to the homie, head back out here and get some stuff done, man. So stay tuned. We're about to clean the garage out, clean everything up. We also got the Camaro in the backyard now, so we are in the game, man. So stay tuned. We sliding, not hiding. I see what's going on, man. But yeah, man, we got the whiteboard, of course. We got my calendar. I've been waiting to find one of them for the longest. We just got the pink slips which came in the mail. We got the 2015 pink slip headed to Sacramento. This is a 2019 that I'm giving away with the truck. We're waiting on one more 2019 pink slip for the St. Louis bike. I got to ship to the winner. Besides that, we got it going. I don't know what's going on with my camera. It will not cut on right now, but we'll get to that. I love shooting. But besides that, man, y'all see what's going on. We got the toy. Shout out to my boy Ray. He blessed me with both of these right here. I brought two. So I'm gonna tell y'all a crazy story. I went and brought Ace two random toys yesterday. This dirt bike and another toy I can't even think of right now. Oh, a Hot Wheel holder for his cars. So I brought him that. This came with that too. So he was like, I want a motorcycle. He didn't really pay this too much attention. So I'm like, you know what? Let's trade. Gave him one of my Harleys out of here. I kept the box because I like how they got the stuff on the back. But like I said, the homie Ray blessed me with these. Shout out to him. And then I kept this too because this is cool. See that? They said you even put some water in there, it had a vapor effect. So it's cool though. Imagine a whole wall like that. So that's why we're trying to build it up, man. I'm telling y'all, stay tuned. We're about to have a lot coming to the channel from the office, man. Y'all gonna see what it is real soon. It's my favorite part, man. The garage. Got the light. Somebody just commented, said you need more lights. I'm definitely about to put more lights in here, y'all. Like I said, I'm just not gonna lie to y'all. I'm doing a lot these past few days. I'm doing it by myself. Luckily, I got baby helping me out because boy, take a long time to do all this myself. So we've been handling inside the house, stuff outside the house, in the garage. We finally got it going. Everything coming together complete. Today, after I get some more stuff done, I'm gonna try to hit one of these electronic stores and get some bright LEDs to hang in here. So stay tuned for that. Like I said, we've been making progress every day, y'all. Every day. Yes, sir, man. We got the Camaro, baby. Throw this trash. It's really lit. I've been waiting to have all my cars together. We got the Camaro right here, juiced up. It's crazy because I could really put the Trans Am right here, but the boat is going right there, man. Y'all see what's going on. It's good, though. I ain't tripping off the dust and the dirt. She's finally at home where I can touch her. That's the crazy part. But yeah, man, we about to have it going, y'all. It's time to go up and make today count and be great, man. That's what it's about, y'all. Every day is a new opportunity. It's up to what you do and how you do it, man. But I know one thing for sure. I'm going to get to mine. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good morning. Let's get to it, y'all. Yep, today's about to be a car wash day. All this stuff is dirty. Super dirty. The truck is the filthiest, though. Yeah, we gotta clean this up, man. All this dirt. It's nuts. Yeah, man. Today's about to be a good day. About to get some stuff done. So stay tuned, y'all. Y'all see what's going on, man. We're making it happen, y'all. We're making it happen, man. Y'all see what it is. We're about to wash the truck up. Clean all this dirt out. This thing is super filthy everywhere, man. We gotta get it cleaned up because I'm telling y'all, they've been going crazy back here. But it's good though, man. That's the whole thing this truck is here for, to get that work and to make it happen, man. So it's time to shine, y'all. About to get all this knocked off. We even about to clean the trailer up, man. Stay tuned though, y'all. We're getting it in, man. I'm about to show y'all exactly what it is, why it's dirty, because I'm about to get it right. So y'all gonna see all the dirt, everything, man. All the dirt. Ugh. So I say I got the subwoofers in here, the amp down there, cool little beat. I put my toe straps back there, make it work. That's why I love this truck, man. I'm telling y'all better enter the win for this. This could really be yours, man. You can have the kids in here juiced up too. You can have this. They got another seat compartment right there. Watch the movies while I be driving. Got the double compartment. This thing is super player, man. I done had a gang of those trucks right there, the older style ones. So this new one was everything, but I'm telling y'all, this is what y'all got action at right now. It's dirty, but we about to get it right. So just remember what I just showed y'all, man, because we about to get it cleaned up, juiced up. You already know. Yes, sir. We got the truck cleaned up, man. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I'm mad I don't got armor all, but it's a good thing I don't got armor all, because if I did, sliding out of here is gonna be all over my doors, man. So that's a good thing right there. We got this thing on the way, looking good, man. Make sure y'all enter the win for this joint. We done wipe the windows and all, man. Sometimes I just use the regular towel. We got that Windex, got the mat still wet, cleaned up, looking good, man. I'm loving it. Yes, sir. We juiced up, y'all. Y'all see what it is. We got the 22s on that joint with the new beefed up, meaty, fat tires. Ooh, them things cost a lot too. Yeah, we about to slide though, man. We gotta we didn't clean up in here. About to connect to this trailer, take this to the city, and then we're gonna come back and get up in here. Before, I'm gonna get some work in today for sure, but I gotta really just organize all this stuff because it's still just stuff crimped up everywhere. So we're gonna get to that today. Make sure we got everything good. Good to go. What up, YouTube, man? We back at it. We in the office right now. I'm trying to get all the merch and manufacturing all up to date and catching up. So I'm gonna give y'all a heads up real fast. All the Red Kicks by Dre hats are already ordered on the way. The way I do it, I order way ahead of time before I start the giveaway. I don't know why, but it always seems to take so long, and I've been trying to find another manufacturer instead of me dealing with these people all the way overseas. So if you order your Red Kicks by Dre hat, them things are on the way. They should be coming any day now. I didn't even realize I ordered some more sliding keychains like when I sent out the last set. So I forgot I had these other ones that just came a few days ago right here. So I only have about, I think a few of those, somebody said they didn't get one. So I'm gonna ship those out to people who said they didn't get theirs, and then I'll have an additional few left. So the additional few left is gonna go into the giveaway. The ones after that will be another set of hats, because my Red Kicks by Dre hats are down to like the last 3 or 4. So if you wanna get in to win it today, only at $50, get in to win it right now, because back tomorrow, Tuesday, it will be back at $100. So understand that, man. We sliding, not hiding. I know I sent these out already, but I got a lot of cold stuff coming in the mail. So I'm gonna send these out along with the same silver bullet giveaway, just cause I got so many that's just extra. I literally needed those right there. But it's all good, man. You can never have too much of your product. That's why I ordered a huge load for the next giveaway with some more hats. So we're not waiting this long for the red Kicks by Dre hats. But it's all good, man. I appreciate everybody's support more than anything. For rocking with me this long, literally from the backyard to the shop to now the new crib, man. I'm telling you, I mean the most to me, man. But we slide, not hiding. Like I said, the giveaway is almost up for the Kicks by Dre hats. After that, we'll have some more keychains. So get in to win it while you can, man. But today, it's about to be a crazy day. Like, I literally been doing so much every day trying to really get to the shop site and work on the bikes and stuff. But it's so hard when you got to come back in the house with no food, no nothing in the kitchen, and no furniture in the living room and all that. So I've been trying to get everything said and done, and we're finally up to date now. So today is going to be game day. So today, basically, we're going to go over that 2019 ROADGLIDE that we're giving away with the silver bullet truck. I'm going to literally go ahead and assemble that bike, because right now I'm gonna take it to the frame doctor tomorrow. So I want to do it today, but I'm gonna do it tomorrow just so I can get everything done in the garage with the other bike. So we're gonna go to the frame doctor tomorrow, drop that bike off. Today I'm gonna go ahead and put those powder coated pieces on there, even though I have to come back off. I just want to put them on there to get the visual to see how it's gonna look. If I like how it look and it looks cool, we're gonna go with that. If not, I'm gonna take the parts off, take the bike to the frame doctor. When I get it back later in the week, like Wednesday or Thursday or Friday, I'll literally get that bike back immediately, take the frame off and powder coat it the same orange as the parts on the floor, and still have everything coming along with the paint, the rims and whatnot. But the whole thing is, I need it built by Dre, man. You already know how I do it. I need it top to bottom done, looking clean and amazing, man. So I think it'll be on the way to greatness, man. Because I'm telling y'all, we just came from St. Louis. We headed to Sacramento, and we got to see where the truck and the bike is headed, man. So make sure you enter the win and make sure you're up next. But I'm telling y'all, we sliding, not hiding. But we about to get it in today, man. I'm about to go to try to run the Harley today. Oh, today's Monday, man. Damn. Mike can do it though. I'm gonna try to see. Try to run the Harley, so they got anything up out here that's open, and I'll try to go ahead and go get these lowers for the 2019, so I will have that bike rolling, get on the back of the truck, get it to the frame doctor, and then I gotta find me a new powder coated paint shop out here in the area. So we are literally out here in Corona, man. Literally out here trying to find some good shops to network and put it together with. So if anybody know anyone in the area, please comment down below and let your boy know something, man. But we about to get our networking in, man, because we're in a whole new location trying to make everything more convenient and settle and make it happen. So understand that and stay tuned, man. I'm about to have a lot of stuff coming. I've been working on a lot of stuff, just having so much going on. But I'm telling y'all, it's game time. It's time to go up, man. We got to make it happen and get it going. So I appreciate you for supporting your boy. If you up in here tuning in, watching right now, man, it means a lot from me to you, man. I appreciate y'all, man. We sliding, not hiding. Y'all see what it is, man. So we back at it, grabbing the couches, emptying out her apartment. We got the brand new couches on the back of the truck. These are going to the house. I just empty it out. We got it going on, man. Y'all see what's going on. I never knew moving was this difficult, but you gotta do what you gotta do, man. You don't do it, nobody gonna do it for you, you know? So that's what we doing, about to get this done, get back to the crib, get some work in, get in the kitchen, and get a nice first meal at the new crib, man. That's what it's about, man. Getting it in, making it happen. Yes, sir, man. We got it going. Shout out to my dad, as always, coming through. I even had my gardener pull up and help me with the couches, man. Got the dream team, y'all. I'll see what it is, man.